Now I'm bringing in my blueberry pie filling, and you can make your own pie filling, but I wanted this to be easy and something everyone can make. And I have my cookie scoop, and we're gonna scoop our pie filling into our little shells. Now these phyllo doughs are just kind of a simple dough pastry. So they're not sweet, they're not savory. They can go either way when you're using them, but obviously we are going for the sweetness. So we're gonna fill up about half of these little shells with our blueberry pie filling. All right, we're doing our last two with the blueberry pie filling. Beautiful. And now we're coming in with cherry. Now you can use whatever pie filling you want. I was kind of looking for the lemon pie filling, but I couldn't find it. But I feel like cherry and blueberry are always a classic favorite that everyone enjoys. So we're just doing the same thing we did with the blueberry pie filling, but with the cherry, so that we can get this super simple dessert on the road. All right, and this cherry pie filling was super easy to use because I'm just putting about one cherry per little shell. And I think we can all agree that this is missing one thing, so we're gonna move that to the side and bring in our chilled bowl and chilled whisks. And we're gonna put our whisks right into our hand mixer because we are making some whipped topping. And all you need for this easy whipped topping is your heavy whipping cream, duh. And we're gonna add this whole entire bottle of heavy whipping cream into our chilled bowl. Chilling the bowl just makes our whipped cream whip faster. And then I'm gonna mix it up. Instead of doing powdered sugar and vanilla, I'm gonna just add one instant box of vanilla pudding. And this will help thicken it up, add a little sugar and a little flavor. All right. So let's go ahead and start whipping this up. Now, obviously you can do whatever pudding flavor you like. I just think vanilla is the best for that cherry and blueberry pie filling we're using. But you could do a white chocolate, you could do a French vanilla, a cheesecake, a coconut pudding. Oh, coconut pudding sounds delicious. But we wanna make sure that we whip this up until we get some peaks in our heavy cream. And then this is gonna be ready for our super easy, no-bake little treats. Oh my goodness, that pudding made this whipped topping whip up so fast. Let's make sure you get all that excess off of the beaters. And then before we just pile this onto our desserts, I am gonna just put this in a piping bag to make it easier. All right, we're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little dollop of our pudding whipped topping onto each of these. Look how freaking cute they are. Now you could even add some nuts on this, some sprinkles, but I'm gonna keep it simple. These are gonna be great if you have, a lot of people coming over and you don't have a lot of time to make dessert because, what did this take? It took like 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and get these all dressed up so we can give them a try. All right, I definitely overestimated how much whipped topping we need. Now I can serve a whole army with just the whipped topping, but we have our last one that we're completing. Just be careful, they kind of pick up sometimes. But that is it. It's time to give these a try. And I'm gonna try one of each because who am I if not indulging?
They're bite size.
Oh, so good. You guys are gonna love these.